Well, we're out at the gun club today. We're blasting off some rounds. As you can see, we have a 22 rifle there. And then over here is my dad, Dirty Harry. He's going to blast off that Dirty Harry gun. Going for that target right there.
It's easy when you know how.
Let's go see what he did over here. Not too bad. Look at that. That's from 25 yards. Pretty good for an 84-year-old old timer.
25 yards.
Yeah, man. These are the benches here that we're blasting some rounds off of. This is a nice gun club. Give you a little view of it. Have these big dirt mounds behind it for the backdrop. That's 50 yards right there. That's what I'm shooting a long rifle at that one. And then over here is the 100 yards. Right there. I'll zoom in on that. And that's it. I'm up. Let's see what I can do.